Hi, and welcome to Dreaming Your Home. Today we're going to talk about you know what you want and you need, now what? So you took the time to create a list to determine what exactly that you want and need. Now, what did that process look like? Well, personally, I like to do it in a couple of phases.
Distinguish phase one from phase three to phase...
The first phase is just about dumping your brain. Basically, just get it out there. I want a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house in a suburban neighborhood with 3/4 of an acre of property and a white picket fence.
What an image, huh?
You may also have very specific ideas as far as you want it to be brick, you want it to be low maintenance, you want it to be have an outdoor entertaining area.
Choices!
Any of those things can just be written down right away once you know what those criteria are. Then take a little bit of time. Take a week or two, go through magazines, watch some HGTV. I mean, God knows it's always on.
Always.
But take some time, stimulate your brain, and consume some content that's out there that'll help you decide a little bit better what you may want and need outside of what you had in
Spit it out!
your little brain dump. Compile that list. Then I recommend it may seem a little bit woo-woo, but if you take a moment and just calm yourself.
Calm yourself.
I do box breathing or something similar, and you can actually hyperoxygenate your system, stimulates your brain, and then as you settle in and you think about the process of waking up in your dream home, then you may get a picture of what that looks like. You may get a feeling for what that looks like.
The sight, the sound, the hot, spicy flavor of it all.
You may actually smell smells and all those things. I mean, as crazy as it sounds, it does work. But then you put that all together, and now you've got a concrete list of what your dream home looks like. Now, it's a matter of looking at your existing home, if you have one, and deciding if that works there or not. If not, don't be afraid to move. You move to get into your house. It's no big deal to move to get out of your house. You'll make new friends, you'll find new people.
New places and meet new people.
Some of your existing friends may follow you right along. But the fact of the matter is that this is your life. It needs to be optimized for you. And your home is where all that starts. So look for the place that you really want to be. If that's the home you live in, great. Go ahead and look at renovating. And if not, look at moving. But one of the first questions I asked all my clients whenever they first call me and I come in and I sit down with them, one of the first questions I asked is, I say, well, what exactly do you want? And if they followed my instructions, then they have actually already done the process of compiling their wants and needs list. Then first thing I say is, well, why don't you move? What is it that's here that you can't find anywhere else?
Magical.
And sometimes the answer is, the answer is a very good one. And sometimes they, attaining their dream home is completely doable in a reasonable budget in the house where they live. But sometimes that's just not possible. And so you need to really explore moving into a new place, whether that's local to where you are or whether that's outside of where you live. Find the place that you want to be. If it's possible where you live, great. That's wonderful. You want to stay there? it is possible to do where you live right now, then go ahead and one of the things that I always do is talk through exactly what your wants and needs look like in specific. You have to get down, you know, if you need a new kitchen to get your dream home, then we want to know exactly what your cabinets look like. We want to know exactly what your countertops look like. We want to know exactly what everything looks like.
Enjoy your perfect kitchen.
So that we can go ahead and put together a list of specifications and then shop that around to contractors so that they can give us good pricing and we can get the home of our dreams. I hope this has been of great help. And if you enjoyed the content, by all means, like, subscribe to get notifications for future videos. And we'll see you on the next video.